Hi, this is Keith from Pushbutton Giveaways, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a form for your Done For You gifts, which is in Advanced Setup Edit Forms. And here's two I've already set up, and you paste in your HTML code here, and when you update it gives you a preview. Now, to get the code you need to go to your autoresponder account, which obviously I'm with Aweber, as you can see there. Select your list, click Web Forms, create new web form. This obviously if you haven't already got one. And I'm just going to quickly select, try that one. I usually just knock out these bits at the end, save web form, publish, install my own form, or HTML. And I'm just going to copy, just go back to Pushbutton Giveaways. So I've got a couple of forms there already, so we go down here and store a new one. I'm just doing a note to myself here. So I know which gift I'm going to use this form for. Click return if you're in that cell, or update. And there's the form. Okay, and the next thing you do in your Done For You gifts, actually it should be in Edit Gifts. The way you use this is if you've already got a hosted gift. Here we are, I've got a giveaway leverage there. The form number, which was 3 that we just created, you put in form ID, return, and what it's done, it's created a squeeze page URL here. Let's just go into there, we don't need that anymore. If I paste that in to the browser, it's added my form into the squeeze page template. So there's your Done For You squeeze page. And that's it for this video.